Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and we're back on my desk. So today we're going to make a video about the desk, and it's been holding up okay. It looks great, I love it, but there's definitely an issue happening and I need to do something about it, which is, let me show you guys up closer here. I don't know if you can see that, but there is dirt collecting inside the crevices of these of this textured look. So we can get another point of view. So just from everyday use, you know, there's dirt getting caught in the hair, and when I do try to clean it, it doesn't clean out because I guess they're seeping into the pores of the of this whatever material this is. So it's been really hard to maintain it, to be honest, and I've been trying to wipe it down constantly, but it's not really doing justice. So in any case, I don't want to ruin this desk. It looks good from far away, obviously, still. So the answer that I could come up with is I wanted to get something to put on top of here, but I didn't want to ruin the look of the white table. So I went to Amazon and I found some vinyl cover. So this came actually from China, so it took a little while. Anyways, let's open this package and see what that looks like. Alright guys, so we got all kinds of packaging here. Got a plastic cover, and then we got bubbles here. Fighting with all this tape and bubbles. Alright guys, finally. I don't know if you can see, that's the thickness of it. It's pretty thick. Forgot how many millimeters it is, but it's not too thick where it's ridiculous. So it's about right. So, and it should be 55 inches long and about 23 wide. So let's see how that's gonna be. Oh wow, it's pretty good. It's actually a lot closer than I thought it would be. Well, that's good. Alright, so next I think I need to move all this stuff. Alright, so everything's moved except for that one speaker because I can't really move it. I'm wired in there. But anyways, I'm gonna clean up as much as I can all this crud here. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see this, but there's a lot of dirt. I don't know if it's in the plastic or it's just dirty, but there's like some hair and stuff like that. So I guess I'm going to try to unravel this and clean it on one side and then flip it around, I guess. Alright, so it's unraveled finally, and here's the thing. The width actually ended up being pretty much within like a quarter or less. But or should I say the width, the length is too long actually, because I got some hanging over here and then I got some hanging over here, so it's about 3/4 of an inch too long. So I mean, technically that should be a plus, right? It gave you more, but in this case it's not, because now I have to either cut it or live with it. So not sure exactly what I'm gonna do. So a bunch of dust on here. So, and there are definitely imperfections in the vinyl, so it's not perfect. Alright guys, so everything is back on, and as you can see, the vinyl cover is on and it looks okay. I'm pretty sure that over time it is going to sit more flat. Right now it's kind of all, you know, wrinkly looking, but it's not too bad. So I might still cut this later on, I'm not sure, but for now I'm just going to leave it. It's just a small little overlap, but I have a feeling that it might not sit right here on the corner if it's not right at the corner. So, but in any case, for now I'm just going to leave it and see how it goes. I mean, obviously it's not perfect. You can see there's like a little bubble right there. I don't know if it's noticeable guys, but yeah, there it goes. So I'm actually thinking that maybe if I use like a hair dryer to warm this thing up, it'll probably all get flattened out a lot better. Anyways, I'm just gonna let it sit and see what happens over the next week or two. So if it doesn't look any better, I might start messing with it, but for now I'm just gonna leave it. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It's not perfect obviously, but it should protect my table. I guess if you're gonna use your table a lot, it's worth it, because you know, it could get ruined pretty quick, probably within a year if you use it every day like I do. If you want to get a cover like this, they have many different sizes. I'll leave a link in the description. Check it out. Check out my other videos I do on this channel, reviews and other stuff. And thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.